How to connect Toon Blast with Facebook. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can link your Toon Blast with your Facebook on your iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is, of course, get the Toon Blast app. You can easily get it on your Google Play Store or your App Store. After you get it, you can start playing it, and after you want to connect your Toon Blast with your Facebook, what you'll need to do is open your Toon Blast up. After you open it up, you will see the gear icon on the top right corner. Tap on the gear icon, and after you do that, you will see the sign in with Facebook option. Tap on sign in with Facebook, and then you'll get a pop-up like this. Tap on continue. After you tap on continue, you'll see continue as your username. Tap on continue, and after you do that, it will just start connecting and linking your Facebook to your Toon Blast. And there you go. Now if you see your profile picture, it has been changed to your Facebook profile picture, and if you head over to your settings, you'll see the sign out from Facebook option. And yeah, that is how you link your Toon Blast to your Facebook, guys. Thanks for watching. That is all for today. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.